Hey guys, I wanted to test this particular simple hack that I actually discovered last month, and at the end of the day it turns out that it works. It brought a lot of clicks and a lot of leads, and in this video I want to show you this simple hack, this simple strategy that has generated me over $430, and all I'm going to need for you is to follow this video step by step. And if you do everything the way I'm going to show you, trust me, at the end of the day the sky is going to be your limit. And having said that, let's get it started right away. The very first thing we need to do is to come over to Google and search for the word Fashion Nova gift card, and then you want to hit on enter from your keyboard. Once you're here, you want to come over to where it says images, and you want to click on that, and then you're going to be on this page just like this. And now you don't need to touch anything here. Go over to Canva, and if you don't have your account already, just go ahead and create it. It's free. You can actually use the free plan to do everything that we're going to do today, and it's very simple and straightforward. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through in a simple step how you're going to do it. The next thing you need to do is to come over to where it says create a design. You want to hit on that button, and now you're going to have this little dashboard that pop-ups just like this, and you want to go over to where it says customize size, and then you want to hit on that button. You're going to have where you're going to fill out your parameters, and then what you need to do is to write 2000 per 2000 pixels. And if you do it like this, it's going to create a new document for you just like this. And we want to go ahead and make it at least 3 blank page that we can actually use. If you have it like this, and we want to return to Google where we actually search for Fashion Nova gift card, and here the first thing we need to do, we can actually select any of these images right here and customize it to our liking. Don't worry, even if you don't have experience, like I said before, you can do it. I'm going to walk you through in a simple step. It's very easy. We must start with this. What you need to do is to just drag it like this, and then you want to drop it on the particular tab that you actually created, and then you want to drop it just like this. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to right click and then hit on set image as background. The next thing we need to do is to return to Google again, and this time around we want to select this particular picture right here. What we need to do is to drag it like this and repeat the same process. We want to drop it here just like this, and once like this, what you need to do is to right click and hit on set image as background. You can see the way it fits. And for the 10th picture, you want to return to Google again and search for something different, just like something like this again. This is going to make little sense. $100 Fashion Nova gift card. You want to drag it like this, return to Canva and drop it here just like this. And the next thing you need to do is to right click, hit on set image as background. You can see the way it fits already. And now what we need to do next is very simple. You want to return to this particular tab where it says elements. You want to hit on that element, and you want to come back to where it says shape. You want to hit on that shape, then it's going to show up just like this. This shape, you want to use it to blank out everything that is written here just like this. And now we're going to have it like this. If I should click anywhere, you can see the way it is. We want to actually write something here that is going to be related to what we are going to be promoting. What you need to do is to hit on tip from your keyboard, and then you're going to have a little tab right here where you can actually write any text of your choice. You want to hit on $100, and then want to resize the particular text. You want to drag this particular text right here just like this. And the next thing you need to do, you can also highlight everything again and come to where it says bold. You want to make everything bold just like this. Now it's very simple. Your Fashion Nova gift card, which is $100. Third one is already $100 Fashion Nova gift card. And the first one, we want to repeat the same process. The little thing we need to do is to hit on this particular one right here. Hit on Ctrl+C from your keyboard, and then you want to return to the first tab and you want to paste it just like this. And you can actually resize it also to make it fit and put it at the center. And now it's $100 Fashion Nova gift card. Now we have 3 images that we can actually use for a particular offer. And the next thing we need to do is to return to Google and search for giveaway monkey, and then it's going to be the first link. You want to go ahead and click on the particular link just like this. A page like this is going to pop up. This particular website is a website that is designed for people who are looking for free stuff online, and it can range from cash to even physical products. Everything about this website is about giveaway and win contest. People actually come to this website to win some contest, like I said, ranging from cash, gift card, or even physical product. In our case, we want to be promoting gift card to this particular set of people that actually come to this particular website. And now that we have a little knowledge about what this website is all about, what we need to do next is to return to AdWork media. And once we're here, the next thing we need to do is to come straight to where it says campaign and want to hit on all campaign. And once you hit on that, you're going to wait a little bit, and then you're going to have all the campaign you basically need. We need to be targeted here, and for that we need to come back to where it says all country. Once you hit on that button, you're going to have this. We want to target people from United States only, and you want to hit on United States. And once you done that, you want to come over to where it says filter campaign, and you want to hit on that particular button. And now all the offers that are going to be present here are going to be offer all from United States. I want to go ahead and search for this particular gift card, Fashion Nova gift card, since we've created everything around this particular offer. And if you come to the bottom of this page, you're going to see it right here, $100 Fashion Nova gift card. You want to hit on that button just like this. A window is going to pop up like this. The first thing you should always check if you click on any of the offer on this particular website, Adwork Media, because it's a little different from CPA Grip. You want to always check the approval status. If it's approved, it means you can just go ahead and promote it already. But if it's not approved, you need to check what is written here, because most of the time you need to actually apply before you can be approved. But this one is already approved. And now that we have our offer, the next thing we need to do is to return to giveaway monkey. And now we want to promote our particular offer, the Fashion Nova gift card. And for you to do that, you want to convert to where it says submit giveaway, and you want to hit on that button. Once you do that, you're going to have this dashboard like this where you're going to fill out all your details. And the first thing they're going to ask you is your giveaway URL. And for that, we want to return to Adwork Media. And for the same offer that we just want to go ahead and copy the link, this particular link, hit on Ctrl+C from your keyboard, and then we want to return to giveaway monkey and paste a particular URL right here, just like this. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you for the giveaway May prize. What is the prize that they are going to win, the people that are going to carry out your contest? I want to write $100 gift card, because that's what we promoting. The prize is $100. And then you want to convert to where it says price description. And for the description, we want to write something like, are you ready to upgrade your wardrobe and elevate your style game? Look no further, because Fashion Nova is here to make your fashion dreams come true. And you want to be like, introducing the Fashion Nova $100 gift card campaign, where we are giving you the chance to experience the hottest trend, the latest styles, and unparalleled fashion at your fingerprint. Then you want to be like, you want to ask a little question, what is in it for you? And then you want to be like, with a $100 Fashion Nova gift card, you will have the key to endless world of fashion possibilities. Whether you're into a streetwear, formal entire, or anything in between, Fashion Nova has got you covered. You want to write something just similar to this, something that is going to convince them, because if they read something like this, trust me, they will be so convinced to carry out your offer. Mind you, if everybody are promoting the same thing, your uniqueness might be something that will guarantee you your result, okay? And that is the main reason why I actually use Canva at the beginning of this video. You actually want to be different, come over to Google, search for different picture, and choose anything that is going to be different from what you've seen here, okay? You don't want to go ahead and be doing the same thing, so that it will not be oversaturated. And now I want to return to Fashion Nova again, and the next thing they're going to ask you is the end date. And for the end date, you can say the end of the particular month of which you posted the ad. For the entry method, I want to go ahead and use email subscription. And for the eligibility, I want 18 years and above. And for the country, remember we are targeting US, you want to go ahead and hit only on US. And for the category, you want to convert to where it says fashion. Okay, look at it here. You want to click on fashion, and here they're going to ask you to choose your particular image. And for the images, you want to return to Canva. Out of these 3 images that you've created, you're going to choose one. And for starting, you're going to be using one. But if you say if it's not working, you're going to go ahead again and use another one. And for the starting of this particular one, I will just go ahead and use this particular one right here. What I need to do is to convert to where it says download. You want to hit on that button. Come again to where it says download. You want to hit on that button. Make it to be PNG, because that's what it's saying here. It can be PNG or JPEG. Okay, you want to return to Canva. And once you've done that, you want to hit on where it says all page. We don't need all the all pages. You want to click on these all pages, and then you want to hit on page 3. This is the only page you want to download, and you want to hit on done. The others are for future purposes. And now you want to hit on download. Now that it has been downloaded, you want to return to giveaway monkey. The next thing you need to do is to come over to where it says choose file. You want to hit on that button. It's going to open your downloaded file, and then you want to hit on the particular image and hit on open. And now the image has been downloaded here. This is the particular image. The next thing you need to do, they're going to be asking you for your personal data, which is going to be your name, okay, and put in your email address like this. And this particular email that they are actually asking you here is the email they're going to use to send you some notification like your ad has been published and the submission notification. And once you done that, you want to come back where it says upgrade to feature listing, and you want to leave yours to be basic listing, which is $1.50. But if you want to take everything to the next level, you can actually choose any of this offer right here. Like this particular one is 1 week good feature, and the other one is 1 week platinum feature. Anyone that you choose here is going to give you different results. That is the key. And once you've done that, you're going to come over to where it says fill in your card, and you're going to put in some of your details and hit on submit. And at the end of the day, you're going to be paying just $1 $1.50. With this $1.50, you can actually see some results. But like I said, if you want to take things to the next level, you can go ahead and choose any of the other one right here, like the gold feature or even the platinum feature. But for restarting, go ahead and use the basic listing, which is going to cost you $1.50. If you are seeing some result, it means your listing is okay, and then you can go ahead and take things to the next level. But if you pay this $1.50 and you are not seeing results, there's no need for you to go ahead for the upgrade version. Okay, but if by any chance you don't want to make money in this way, this video right here that is going to pop up is going to show you different way and different strategies on how to make money online. If you click on this video, I will see you there, and we're going to discuss different way and strategy that we can actually use to make money online. So click on this video and I will see you there.